to Puerto Rico, of course. Another day in the vlogging of korymanx. So, hey, we are on the way to Aguadilla, which is on the very northwest side of the island. We're going to look at a house today and fart around and look at some other houses, and we're really liking the west side of the island, so that's where we are headed to look for a forever home. So stay tuned, here we go. Tiny home we found buried in the forest. Take a look at this one. Take a look at this cute little house here. What's going on, guys? Look at this view we got back here. Beautiful, beautiful. One of the things about moving to Puerto Rico, you guys know in my last video I've talked about self-providing, and I've been looking to do this since 2011, 2012 area, just getting out and being independent and self-sovereign, man, and self-relying and just being one with nature and stuff. And there's no better place to do it than Puerto Rico, in my opinion, as far as living off the land and natural resources and the land and what is around you that you can use for resources, food, building, all kinds of stuff. Unlimited amount of water here, natural fresh spring water that comes right out of a mountain. Got unlimited amounts of fruit and vegetables. I mean, I just went to that property that we were just at. So many fruit trees. It was insane. That thing looked like a just caked in a jungle, right? That jungle was all fruit trees. Anywhere from mangoes to pineapples to bananas to guava banana to sugar cane, all kinds of stuff. So I'm urging you guys, if you are feeling uncomfortable in your current situation, if you are wondering what the hell can I do to get the hell away from all the madness and the confusion and deception and lies and hate in the world, I say get out of the big city. Like I said, Puerto Rico may not be for you. It may not be for everybody. It may not fit your needs. It may not fit your liking, but it fitted everything that I need and that I liked, and that's why we're here, going to buy a property somewhere, and that's what we're hunting for today. So self-providing. Puerto Rican neighborhood vibe. Cute little houses out here in Puerto Rico. This is kind of like an urban neighborhood vibe that you would get out here in Puerto Rico. Cute little houses. Alright guys, we're taking a lunch break and we're here at Los Monstruos Poochie's Barbecue Smoke and Grill. Check this place out. I don't even know if I said that right. Oh. Got the chicken barbecue with some fresh squeezed homemade juice. Barbecue beef. Let's get it. The gentleman who made our food for us just brought out this wonderful looking corn on the cob that I'm thinking is gonna be nothing but deliciousness. And let's try it, and I'm gonna tell you what I think about it. Cheesy, buttery, bacony, cheese, butter, bacon, and some kind of like breadcrumb on there. Delicious. Okay, so that food was delicious. We had 3 juices, a Coke, un polo, un carne, and then they gave us the corn on top of that. Amazing. It only costed us $9, so depending on where you go here in Puerto Rico, it depends on the price, of course. If you go more towards the beach and you get onto like a tourist location or maybe a really nice restaurant, sit down like we did yesterday at Smokehouse, you'll end up paying like $35-40 like we did. Or you can go in here like we did with this smokehouse place on the side of the street, and we got pretty much a good amount of food for $9. Not the same amount of food as last night, because last night was calamari and 2 different kinds of fish and shrimp and stuff, but this only did cost us $9. So excellent score here on the side of the road. Excellent food. The hospitaliano was amazing. Very hospitable people, and very good energy. Very welcoming people as well. So Puerto Rico. Fruit stands and shops on the side of the road here in Puerto Rico. Go home, Burger King. A lot of people been asking questions about the guns in Puerto Rico, like there is none. Here's another Extreme Armory gun store. There's lots of armory stores here in Puerto Rico, especially with the new gun laws that just passed on January 1st, making it a lot easier to own and to carry a gun. Peace. Alright guys, so we're back out here in the Vega Baja area at the beach, where we are walking and exploring, looking for some beach treasures, exploring kind of, you know, the new land that we live in. So one thing I do know about Puerto Rico, that I've been here several times, and walking on the beach, is you probably got to have protection for your feet. You don't want to just come out here barefooted unless you know the area that you're going to is all sand, because a lot of the times you'll get these beaches have rocks, and it's just coral and dead rock and what you see here. So you want to have shoes when you're going on to that, and then plus, let me turn this camera around. Plus, you get these sea urchins. Look at that guy right there. You do not want to step on him barefoot, okay? Woo! The waterproof camera. And it's not just one of them. If you go to, if you go to areas, you'll see these guys are everywhere. And you don't want to step on them. Got this little hole here. Look at these guys. They're everywhere. These guys all over, and I want to learn how to start catching those. Alright, so we've been doing a lot of beach hunting, found some awesome beach glass. I'll show y'all the purples and blues and reds that you get out here in beach glass. Is awesome. So if you're a beach glass hunter, Puerto Rico is for you. So I'm here in this little water hole. A lot of times on like low tide here in Puerto Rico, you'll find these little water holes you can take off your shoes and dive into. And we're gonna go underwater 4K camera here, so let's do this. So that was fun, swimming with the fish and the sea urchins, all that good stuff. You see this little rock behind me here, this mountain? We're gonna go climb on top of that. Y'all ready? Let's go. That's why you gotta bring your shoes. She told me to go ahead, so I'm gonna go ahead. We could go back into the jungle if y'all want. Looks like a little trail. It's full of coconut. Looks like a trail. Big old coconut trees. There's some big coconuts back there. It is, it just fell off. And it cracked on the ground and kind of like semi-opened. Guess who brought their knife? I brought my knife. Doesn't look quite ready yet. Maybe that's spoiled or something. It doesn't smell good. I thought we had a fresh coconut there, but that don't look too right. Alright, let's continue on this way. We're almost to this hill. We'll climb it and take this way. Whew. The wind's picking up. Got this nice little ground cover. Puerto Rico style. We came from all the way over there. Nice little hike today. Let's go to the top of the hill, shall we? There's the other side. Absolutely beautiful. If you're not happy with your life, make some changes. Find your peace. Wherever that may be, whoever that may be with. There's another little trail. We could go to the other side and keep going. At the top of this hill that you saw earlier. I'm standing on a rock at the top here. Woo! It's windy up here. Kind of testing my mic to see how it's doing barreling in this wind. 30 miles an hour up here, I guess. I'm on the edge of the rock. Awesome view, guys. Nothing in front of me all the way up to Canada. From this point all the way up to Canada. It's just clear as water. I want y'all to see these little islands around me. Watch this. Extensions of the island. Here comes Boo. Come on, Boo. Come on up. Hey, I'm gonna head back. We're gonna head back and probably get something to eat, start relaxing. We have had a wonderful day. We got so much done. We got out early and drove to the most northwest part of the island that you can probably get, which is Aguadilla. We looked out some houses out there. We found a couple that we liked and are interested in, so we're gonna move forward and seeing what we can do about getting more information on those. And man, we got so much done today. We tried some new food, we hiked, we discussed a lot of what me and the wife want to get done here, strategically planning and all that good stuff. So man, it's probably 6 o'clock here, maybe not even that, and I just feel like I've gotten so much done today and posted a video, and I'm going to be posting this one later, y'all. I really appreciate y'all's tuning in and supporting the channel, me moving forward, you know, with my life. That's awesome that you guys support it as well, because if you don't, oh well. And if you do, I appreciate you tuning in and supporting the channel and showing love, and I love you right back, man. So if there's anything I can do to help you guys, let me know. Still keep using the Discord. There's a lot of stuff going on that people can be jumping in the Discord, the activist group, and chit-chatting about that. So I've been discussing lots of stuff with people here in Puerto Rico and all over the place, trying to get resources in place to help people, or get people, bugged out. If some people are bugging out and doing what I'm doing, self-providing and getting away from all the negative confusion and division and mess. And so if you need help doing that, let me know. I'm here for you as well. If there's anything I can do to promote events or anything for activism, if I could be of any resource to you guys, you know I'm here for you. The activism is always going to still continue. So I'm going to get back to the house and cut this video up and enjoy the rest of my day. Y'all stay blessed. Bow. Oh yeah. I did forget, I wanted to share a story today. I was out on my balcony just looking at the ocean, and a gentleman who was down walking up from the beach waved at me and said hello. And I said, hey, how's it going? And he told me he watches the YouTube channel and that he likes what I do, and he told me welcome to the island. And I thought it was very loving and very welcoming. And whoever that was, I appreciate you if you're watching. I'd love to hang out with you, and thank you for your warm welcome to Puerto Rico. That's why I love the people of Puerto Rico. So generous and welcoming and just down to earth and want to live life and be happy and be free, and that's what I'm about.